everyone, I am Mariel Balmes from BSIE 2202. For today's vlog, I'm going to do the third activity in CAD, which is this one, our target figure. So, let's proceed. But before we start in doing the target output or the target figure, let us set up first the layer properties and the dimension style. First, click Layer Properties, then add a layer. Name it as green. The color is green. And the line type is hidden. So click Load and look for the hidden. Then OK. Click again the hidden one. Then OK. Another layer. Name it as magenta. The color is magenta. And the line type is center 2. So click again the load and then look for the center 2. Then OK. Click again the center 2. Then OK. Another layer. Name it as red for the dimension. The color is red and the line type is continuous. So click the continuous then OK. And last, name it as yellow. It is for the guidelines. Then the color is yellow and the line type is continuous. Then OK. And now, we're done in the layer properties. Let us set up now the dimension style. So type DIM for dim style. Then click standard, set current and modify. In lines, the dimension line color is red and the extension line color is also red. In text, the color is green and in primary units, the precision is 0.00. Then OK, close. Now, let us start in doing the target figure. First, draw a circle, center diameter, and then click anywhere and then type the diameter, which is 1.13. Then enter. Another circle using center diameter with a diameter of 2.06. Then enter. Another one center diameter starting from the center with a diameter of 2.88. Then enter. And for the center of this three circle, make a line downward. So click the line command and then draw a line starting from this downward measuring 1.5. Then enter. Another one starting from this endpoint measuring 2.62 going to the right. Then enter. Next, use this endpoint as the center of the circle with a diameter of 0.75. Then enter. And for the outer circle, click again circle center diameter and at this endpoint, draw a circle with a diameter of 1.88. Then enter. And from the bottom of this outer circle, make a line downward starting from this measuring 0.38, then enter. another line measuring 1.12, enter. Then use the offset command, so type O, enter, enter, then click this line to offset it. The measurement is 0.28. Another one, offset this line going to the left, measuring 0.28. Another one with a measurement of 0.19. And also, in the left part, measuring 0.19, then enter. And now, let us extend these lines until it touches the outer circle. And now, let us trim the excess line. So, click the trim command and trim these parts. Next, click line, hold shift, then right click, then choose the tangent. Then click this part and then repeat the process. Hold shift, then right click, then choose tangent, and then connect it to the second circle. Next, from the center of these three circles, make a line to the right. So click the line command and then make a line going to the right, measuring 5.26, then enter. Those yellow lines will serve as our guidelines. Next, draw again another line starting from here until it touches the guidelines. Next, from the end point of this guideline, create a line upward measuring 1.62. Another line going to the left measuring 3.62. And then another line measuring 1.26 downward. And then just connect it. And then make a guidelines again, starting from here up to here. Then at the midpoint of these guidelines, draw another line going to the left, measuring 0.76, enter. Another one measuring 2.26, then enter. And then make a circle center diameter at every endpoint of those lines. The diameter is 0.375, then enter. And then we just copy this small circle and move it to the endpoint of another line. For the meantime, let us turn off the guidelines. So, another one is to click the fillet command. So, type F for fillet, then enter, and then click radius and type 0.12, then enter, then click multiple. Then fillet this part. Let us turn on again the guidelines. For now, let us extend these lines. Draw again another line starting from here up to here. And next, click again the fillet command. So type F for the fillet, then enter, click the radius, and type 0.94, then enter. And then click these parts. Next, click line again, and then hold shift, right click, choose tangent, and from the second circle, click it, and repeat the process. Hold shift, right click, and then choose tangent, and then connect it on its point. Now, let us trim the excess part, so click the trim command and trim these parts.
Next, draw another line starting from here with a measurement of 0.5, then enter. Another one going to the right measuring 0.76, then enter. Another line downward measuring 1.06, enter, and then just connect it to the circumference of the circle. Then after that, trim the excess line. Next, extend this line with a measurement of 0.06, enter, and also this one, and then again trim the excess line. Next, click again the line command to create an oblique line. So at this end point, draw a line with a measurement of at 3.05, tab 79, then enter. Then create another line again starting from this up to this with a measurement of 2.75, then enter. Next, click offset and then enter, and then click this part and type the measurement, which is 0.28, then enter. Also on the another side measuring 0.28 also. Next, draw again another line starting from this end point with a measurement of 1.76, then enter, and then draw again another line starting from this end point with a measurement of 0.30, then enter. Also on the top part measuring 0.30 also. Next, type the fillet command and then click the radius, which is 0.12. Click multiple and then click these parts. Remove this line and then proceed to the another side. Draw again another line measuring 1.76, then enter. Another line again measuring 0.15, 15. Then enter. Also on the bottom part, measuring 0.15 also. And then type again fillet and then click radius, which is 0.12 also. Then enter and click multiple again and click these parts. Then after that, remove this offset line. Now let us change this into color green with the line type of dash line or the hidden line. Just click it all, the oblique line, and then change the color into green, and then trim this excess. Now, let us draw a circle. But first, let us change it into green. Draw a circle, center radius. At this center, measuring 2.38, then enter. Then after that, trim the excess line or the parts that are not included. Next, change it into yellow or the guideline and then draw a line or the guideline starting from here, measuring 0.15, then enter. Make a line again, upward, measuring 0.15 also, then enter. Next, change it into green again and then draw a line starting from here until it touches this part. Another one line again on this part. Next, change this into yellow and then draw a guideline starting from this midpoint, measuring 0.2, enter. Back it to the green and then draw a dash line starting from here and then just extend it. Next, use offset command, enter. Offset this part with the measurement of 0.40, enter. Next, change this into magenta and then draw a line starting from here until it touches the circumference of the circle. Another one, create a line again, starting from this to the right with a measurement of 7 units, then enter. Lastly, draw a line again starting from here with a measurement of 1 unit and then just extend it with a measurement of 1 unit also, then enter. Now, we're done on the first part. Let us proceed in dimensioning. Change this into red as dimension and then proceed in dimensioning. But first, let us draw a line here measuring 3.85. Another one, draw another line starting from here with a measurement of 3.68, then enter. Now, let us proceed in putting all the measurements. For the meantime, let us turn off the guidelines. As you can see, we're done on the first figure or the first part of our target figure. For now, let us turn off the dimensions that we've made for us to focus on the second part of our target figure. Next, we need to do a 10 guidelines. So, turn off the guideline first and then draw 10 guidelines. First, on this part, measuring 7.1, enter. Second guideline, on this part, with a measurement of 4.92, then enter. For the third guideline, type the measurement, which is 5.33, then enter. Fourth guideline, in this part, with a measurement of 10.92, then enter. For the fifth guideline, starting from here, measuring 10.16. For the sixth guideline, type the measurement, which is 11.86, then enter. Seventh guideline, in this part, with a measurement of 9.71, then enter. For the 8th guideline, starting from here, measuring 8.02, then enter. And then for the 9th guideline, starting from here, measuring 6.96, then enter. And lastly, for the 10th guideline, in this part, measuring 7.49, then enter. Now let us hide first those guidelines. Then make it as normal and then draw a line starting from this end point, measuring 5.1. Another one, measuring 5.06, then enter. Now let us turn on again the guidelines that we've made a while ago. Next, draw a line again. Starting from the end point of the line that we've made upward until it touches the second guideline. Then after that, draw a line to the right measuring 0.56, another one measuring 0.94, and last 0.38, resulting to 1.88. Now, let us connect those endpoint of the three lines that we've made until it touches this part. Now let us draw a circle, center diameter at this part. Draw a circle with a diameter of 0.375, then enter. Then after that, draw a line starting from here, measuring 2.26, then enter. Next, at this endpoint, connect it to the first guideline. After that, draw a line again starting from here to the left, measuring 0.56. Then enter. Another one measuring 0.14. Then from every endpoint of those lines, create a vertical line with 1.29 units. Also this one. 1.29 units also. And then draw another line or just connect it to this point. And then extend this line until it touches the vertical line. After that, draw a guideline again on this part, measuring 0.265, then enter. Then back it to the normal, and then draw a line starting from here to the left, measuring 0.62. Then after that, connect it to its intersection. Then enter. Next, extend this line up to here. Then after that, create another line here, downward. After that, make lines for our fillet part, so click the line command on the ribbon panel and then draw a line here, another one upward, going to the left, and lastly downward. Then enter. Next, type F for the fillet command and then click reduce and type 0.12. And then just click multiple and then go to the parts that are needed to fillet. Then after that, trim the unnecessary parts or the parts that are not included in the figure. Then after that, extend this line until it touches this another line. And then, draw a line starting from here up to here. Now, let us make a guideline again, starting from here up to here. Another one. And then, back it to the normal. And then draw a line, starting from here. And connect it to this guideline. Another one. Draw another line again with this part with a measurement of 2.1237, tab 308, then enter. Then after that, draw another line again with a measurement of 0.94, then enter. And lastly, draw another line downward measuring 1.88. Next, create another guideline starting from here, going to the left, measuring 1.12, then enter. And at this end point, it will serve as our center of the circle. Change it to the normal, and then draw a circle center diameter at this end point with a diameter of 0.375. Another one with a diameter of 1.12. Then after that, back it to the guideline. And then draw a line starting from here until it touches the oblique line. Then after that, change it to the normal again, and then draw a line starting from here until it touches the vertical line. Another one line again until it touches the 6th guideline. And connect it to the circumference of the circle. And then draw another line again downward until it touches the 7th guideline. Next, use fillet command, so type F for the fillet, and then click radius and type 0.12. Enter, and then click multiple, and then fillet those parts that are needed to fillet. Then after that, extend this line up to the 8th guideline. And then draw another line again for the fillet purposes. Create another line again up to here. And then draw a line again starting from here for the fillet purposes. And then after that, extend this line up to here. Also this line. And then draw a circle center diameter with a diameter of 0.375. After that, create a line above the circle and then just extend it. Draw a line again starting from here up to here. And then draw a line again starting from here up to here and look for the midpoint of this line and create a line upward. And then trim the excess line. For now, let us use fillet command, so type F for the fillet for us to make a semicircle. Use fillet command again with a radius of 0.12 and fillet these parts. Then after that, trim the excess line or the parts that are not included in the figure. Next, let us create another guideline. At this end point, downward, measuring 0.94, enter. Another one going to the left, measuring 4.7. Next, back it to the normal and then draw a circle center diameter with a diameter of 0.375. Another one with a diameter of 1.12. Let's create a line again starting from here up to here. Make a guideline again. At this part, just connect it up to here. And then draw another guideline at this midpoint until it touches the yellow guideline. And then draw another line starting from this upward until it touches this line. And then draw another line again at this midpoint up to here. Then after that, change this into normal again and then draw a line from this part going to the right, measuring 0.80. and then connect it to the line at the top. For our curved line, click Arc and then choose Start and Radius. And for the first curve, type 1.76. Then another curve, starting from this up to here, measuring 1.50. Next, draw a line starting from here until it touches the curved line. And then trim the excess line. Then after that, change it again into magenta. And then, draw a line starting from here, measuring 3.9 units. Then after that, change it again into yellow. And make a guideline starting from here up to here. And then also on the bottom part of the circle. Next, change it again into green. And then draw a dash line or the hidden line and just extend it. Next, draw a line again, starting from here, up to here, with a hidden line. And then, another one, up to here. Now, let us use offset command, enter, and then offset this hidden line measuring 1.12, then enter. And then just extend it. And then after that, draw a line again or the hidden line again starting from here up to here. And then use offset command again, enter, and then click this part, measuring 0.1325. Offset this again, downward, measuring 0.02. And last, offset this again, downward, measuring 0.1325 also. As you can see, we are done on the second part of the target figure. Let us now proceed on dimensioning. Now, we're finally done on our third activity. I hope you learned from this vlog and thank you for watching.